Why do you do it?
Why do I do it? Because I love it. It's great fun. I love performing. I love the reaction that I get from the audience, and yeah, it keeps me alive. This is what I do for a living, and it gets me around the world, and it's great fun.
Ever hurt yourself doing it?
Yeah. I've had a few accidents in my time, but it's educated risks. I'm not suicidal or masochistic or anything like that. I love my life and my body, so I take a lot of precautions, and a lot of training goes involved in what I do. So it's just dedication, practice, and perseverance and all that kind of stuff.
Well, what's your favourite thing about it?
About performing.
Your job.
About my job. I guess the freedom involved in just travelling around and going wherever you want and living the dream. It's great fun.
Great.
Yeah.
Best of luck.
Yeah. Cheers.